So what did the little girl tell the magic porridge pot? Cook, little pot, cook. Where did she take the porridge pot? She took the porridge pot to her mother. She took the porridge pot to her mother. Mother. How do you spell mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. What is the spelling of mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. All of you say M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Now what is the antonym of mother? Father. Antonym of mother is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Antonym of mother is father. F-A-T-H-E-R is father. Okay. Now, stop. What is the antonym of stop? Stop. What is the antonym of stop? Start. Stop antonym is start. S-T-O-P. Not A-P. Not stap. It is stop. Up. O-P. S-T-A-P is stap. It's not stap. Stop. O. Stop. Stop. Start. Start. Start or begin. There are two words you can use. Stop, start or begin. Okay, stop or you can write begin. Right? So this is the antonym of stop, start or begin. Okay. Now you are going to read the remaining lines. So the little girl, what did she tell the magic porridge pot? Yeah, cook little pot, cook. And where did she take the magic porridge pot? She took, say it in a sentence, she took the magic porridge pot to her mother. She took the magic porridge pot to her mother. Where did she take the magic porridge pot? She took the magic porridge pot to her mother. Alright. Now what happened? Soon the little pot cooked some porridge. So the pot started cooking porridge. The pot started cooking porridge. Sit straight. Soon the kitchen is full of porridge. What happened? The kitchen was full of porridge because she didn't say to stop. Did she tell to stop? No. She said cook little pot, cook, and the pot started cooking and the porridge stood full in the kitchen. It was full in the kitchen. Then still the magic porridge pot goes on cooking. It was going on cooking because nobody is telling to stop. Did anybody tell to stop? No. The magic porridge pot started cooking and all the porridge was full in the kitchen. It was full in the kitchen. Then what happened? So how do you spell kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. This is a room in your house, isn't it? For what this room is used for? Yes, to cook your food. Where you cook food, that room is known as what? Kitchen. Where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. What is the spelling of kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. How do you spell kitchen? K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Okay. So that's a room in your house where you cook food. Understood? Okay. Now, the porridge was cooking and it was full of porridge in the kitchen. It started flowing. It was all over in the kitchen. Now what happened? Still the magic porridge was still cooking because nobody is telling to stop. It went on cooking. Soon the house was full of porridge. Everywhere, in the dining room, in the hall room, where the visitors room. Everywhere it was full of what? Porridge. Why it was full of porridge everywhere? What was the reason the porridge was everywhere? Magic. Yes, magic. Yes, that I agree. But why it was full everywhere? The girl did not say to stop. Did the girl tell to stop? No, it was going on cooking. The pot was going on cooking. So the porridge was everywhere in the house. All the rooms, it started flowing into each room because the girl did not say to stop cooking. Now, let's take the next page, page number 8. Still the magic porridge pot goes on cooking. Then, soon the whole town is full of porridge. Now what happened? It started flowing onto the road. And that full town, that full place was full of porridge because nobody said to stop. Did anyone tell to stop? No. It started cooking and then the porridge started flowing all over. The full town was with porridge. Still the magic porridge pot goes on cooking. Then suddenly the girl said, "Stop, little pot, stop." Now did the porridge stop? Yes. Says the little girl. Suddenly she told, "Stop, little pot, stop cooking." Then at last the magic porridge pot stopped cooking, but the whole town is still eating porridge. So what happened? She told the magic porridge pot to stop. What? Stop? Stop cooking. And did the pot stop cooking? Yes, the pot stopped cooking. But even now, the whole town eats porridge there. So now you know what is the porridge story? You know the porridge story?
Yes.
Will you remember this?
Yes.
You must go and tell this story to your parents. Okay. Who gave the magic porridge pot? Who gave the magic porridge pot? An old woman. An old woman. Who gave the magic porridge pot? An old woman. To whom did she give the magic porridge pot? Who did she give? Listen carefully. To a little girl. Yes, an old woman gave the magic porridge pot to a little girl. And what kind of a pot was it? What kind of a pot was it? What kind of a pot? I told you in the beginning of the lesson. What kind of a pot was it? Magic porridge pot. What kind of a pot was it? Magic porridge pot. How do you spell the word cooking?
C-O-O-K.
C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. This is the present continuous tense. Cooking. An action which has been continued. Now please look at the board and learn these words. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. Repeat after me. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. Repeat. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. M-A-G-I-C. Magic. Please repeat. M-A-G-I-C. P-O-R-R. P-O-R-R. I-D-G-E. Porridge. Not porridge. 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 P-O-R-R. I-D-G-E. Porridge. P-O-R-R. I-D-G-E. Porridge. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. This is the place where we cook our food, okay? It's the room where we cook our food. K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. Kitchen. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. The antonym of woman is man. M-A-N. Man. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. The antonym of mother is father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. S-T-O-P, stop.
S-T-O-P, stop.
S-T-O-P, stop.
S-T-O-P, stop.
The antonym of stop is start or begin. S-T-A-R-T, start. S-T-A-R-T, start. B-E-G-I-N, begin. B-E-G-I-n, begin. Now you have to write these words 5 times. Magic, orange, kitchen, cooking, and woman, antonym man, mother antonym, father, stop, antonym is start or begin. Any one word. Learn both. So when whatever you remember, you can write. Okay. So that's all for today. Read the lesson and learn the spellings. Okay. Have a good day.